right, for example 5, we're looking at, again, kind of an inequality problem or real-life situation that might use these linear inequalities. So for this example, it says Eva has budgeted $40 for car maintenance. Suppose oil costs $2.50 per quart and filters cost $9. So that would be like $9 per each filter that you get. So in this case, we're going to use X as our number of quarts of oil, and Y is going to be our number of filters. So we need to write an inequality to represent the situation. Well, we know that whatever she spends on oil plus whatever she spends on filters has to be less than or equal to how much money she has. Seems logical, right? She can't spend more than what she has. She can spend exactly how much she has. She can spend the $40, but she can't spend any more than that, or she could spend less than $40. That's totally fine too. She'd save herself some money. So we'd have to say everything that she spends in total. So this from the oil, this from the filters, add those together, and they have to be less than everything she has in total. Okay? So when we just plug things in, how do we find exactly how much it was that she spent on the oil? Well, remember, oil is going to be X quarts of oil times 250 per quart. So if she got 3 quarts, it'd be 3 times 250. If she got 4 quarts, it'd be 4 times 250. So we could just simply call that piece 250 or 2.5 times X. Now we need to add on how much she spends on filters. Well, again, she's getting Y number of filters, each filter costing $9, so that would be 9 times Y. If I got 3 filters, it'd be 9 times 3. If I got 4 filters, 9 times 4. Or sorry, Ava, not me. I'm not getting an oil change. So, in this case then, this is how much Ava would be spending in total. However many quarts she buys plus however many filters she buys, and it needs to be less than how much she has. So it needs to be less than $40. From there then, based on the inequality that we found out, would Ava have enough money to buy 6 quarts of oil and 2 filters? Well, remember, 6 being our quarts of oils, that's our X value, so that gets plugged in right here. 2 being our filters is our Y value. That's going to get plugged in right here. So we simply just have to plug in and check and make sure everything will work. So 2.5 times 6 plus 9 times 2 has to be less than $40. And if it is, then she can afford to do that. Well, 2.5 times 6 is going to be 15. 9 times 2 is going to be 18. And 15 plus 18 is $33 in total that she's spending, which it is actually less than $40. So yes, she can definitely afford to do that. All right, and that'll conclude 2.5.